play, dance, sing, and just have fun. Friends, come here. What are you waiting for? Hi guys! Hi guys! How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. This is your girl Beth Awino and I'm back with another video. So guys, we are at Qatar International Food Festival that is happening at Al Bida Park and at Al Cornish, and it started on the 26th of November and today is 4th of December, which is day 8, starting till the 17th of December. Guys, you need to come here and see what is happening. If you haven't come here, I don't know what you're waiting for. So guys, I just want you to come with me and let's see what is happening. Okay, let's experience this one world-class experience that we don't know if we'll experience it again. Okay, let's go.
And they got me 2 water. All different
Ranch,
slices.
garlic mushroom, cheese, pepperoni, one. Can I have ball pen, please?
Go try.
You take 7 shots, and if you get 7, you hit 7 on 7, you get the bigger ones. And if you
Try.
5 from 10 shots, you will get smaller ones. 5 on 7, you will get the smaller ones. You had to take the tickets first.
You cannot just try one,
Then you make 5.
You can try. Yeah, any of them.
10 reals. All these games are 10 reals each.
Sorry. If you wanna play, you can just buy tickets from there. It's like 10 real.
Pwede mag-try.
I'm so addicted to it. I want to go again.
try to play.
That's 10 real.
Yes.
Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we got 10. Yes.
No, nothing. Just these. Yalla, get more time.
Come on, guys. Come on. Let's play a game.
Yes, we can.
Come in.
Good luck.
How many is that?
Yes.
You have also. Oh my God. Why am I missing everything?
You just need to focus and have some strength. You can do it.
Do it, come on.
Yes, see?
It has to form.
Yeah.
So if I hit it or not?
Yes, you do.
You can throw again.
Ah.
I failed again.
Ah. No, no, no.
Oh, what is this? She's running. I see you getting.
Yay! Better luck next time. Thank you.
So I failed.
Yes.
How many am I supposed to hit?
No,
You
wait,
were
wait,
supposed
wait,
to
wait.
hit 5.
5?
See?
But this is the best one that you're not. Give me one of this.
So guys, we have this ground for mini golf. So you eat, play, dance, sing, and just have fun here at Qatar International Food Festival 2021. A moment.
നമ്മൾ ഇത്തിരി ആള് ചെത്തിയിട്ടു ഇതാക്കിയിട്ടു താടി വീഴുന്നി
Sasa ni nini hii unauzia hapa sasa?
Carrot cake, marble cake, some cookies.
Ah,
Yeah.
hati inaitwa?
Marble cake.
Inakuwa vizuri. Unauza how
Very
much?
nice. 18 reals only. Nice one, homemade.
Alafu uko na chai.
Alafu kahawa. Huu ndio mkubwa kahawa.
Kahawa manager.
Huyu kahawa huyu.
Kahawa pekee si chai chai.
Kahawa.
Ah, chai kuna chai ni ya watu wa
Ay, ay, ay. Unaweza kunywa kahawa kweli? Aya, basi tuweke kahawa.
Kahawa.
Ile moto boiling itoe baridi. Ni baridi sana.
Usijali. I got you.
Sawa. So hiyo jina ya kahawa inaitwaje?
Tukutengenezea Spanish latte.
Ah, sawa.
Unapenda kitu tamu ama kitu si tamu?
Tamu, usiweke mob. Kumbuka kwa mob. Si too much yaki. Si too much. Guys, it's too cold. If you're coming here at Qatar International Food Festival or anywhere outside, if you're in Doha, please be warm. Wear your jacket. So I just took myself a cup of coffee just to remove the cold. It's too cold. Let's take coffee and let's enjoy Qatar Food Festival that is running till the 17th of December. So if you haven't come here, what are you waiting for? Come and see what is happening.
También está ubicado en